No, my MG. Uy, not sure. Are you willing to, Daddy George, delete? Ano pa ba? Sir Thomas, and what is this? Sir Thomas, Ellie. Do you want to, do you want to boom boom me later? Ah? Oo, pinakota na nila ako. Asan ka na?
Pinapakota sa'yo?
Si Delete.
Nandiyan pa siya?
Tsaka, oo. Punta ka na at ipipigay kita.
11% pa lang ako.
Wala. Ba't kasi hindi mo
Hindi
binigyan?
nag-charge kagabi. Charge ko ng 30%, nag 6%.
Pag sangitan ni Bimbem, nagaluwak so na hangin.
Mikiki, shall we? Oh, Mikiki, shall we to you? Yes, later 12 a.m. No one can boom boom me. Oh my gosh, boom boom boom, boom boom boom. OMG, guys, OMG. So, Sir Thomas, how are you, Sir Thomas? Kamusta ka na, Sir Thomas? How are you? Sir Thomas, you too. Thank you so much to you, Sir Thomas. You helped me a lot. You helped me, you helped me a lot. I don't know what's happening. Maybe you are not recharging now. Maybe. I don't know, cause you never talk to me. You never tell me. Even I message you. You never talk to me. But you are so amazing too, Sir Thomas. You're the best. You make my day always complete. When in times that I need you, you are there, Sir Thomas. So I salute you. I salute you, I salute you, I salute you all, guys. Oh my god. The blessing comes with you. What is it called? Triple? Yeah, triple comes to you, guys. Sir Thomas, you're so amazing too. Not sure you too. And Daddy George, of course, also not sure. And also Daddy George. Daddy George is Daddy George sometimes is so naughty. Yeah. It's not sometimes. It's every day. It's every day he is naughty. But even you are so naughty, yes. Daddy George, you're the best. You're the best because if I need you, you are there. You are there to me. You never leave me. Nasa papay. Nasa papay ngayon mo pa. Siyempre nagpakota ak. Ato ini. Pinakota dak. Ala, nagmayat. Nagmayat ti aldaw tatan. Ha? Uray ko masumampit ti kwa. Uray ko masumampit ti barong atawan. Ya, ti 2025. Mayat ko mati ti sirrik ti 2025 tayo, guys. I said delete and Sir Thomas, not sure, and Daddy George. I said to the other viewers that this coming 2025 is the more blessing comes to us. Yeah. Continue to fight. Even there's a lot of what's it called this? Lot of trials. Hello, John. Shall we to you, John? Guapa. Uy, guapa ka ayu. Uy! Guwapo ka din. Don't worry, guwapo ka din. Uy. Yeah, the Sir Thomas, you're so the best. I cannot speak so much to you because I'm so shy. And I'm so shy. I want to Sir Thomas, I want to PM you yesterday. I want to ask some help from you, but I'm so shy. The shy comes first with me. I don't know, maybe you because I don't know, because you helped me many times. You helped me many times now. If I message you, you are there, you're coming. Yeah. Hi, Guillermo. Shall we to you, Guillermo? Guillermo. Not sure. Thank you. Always. Also not sure. Even not sure is. Sorry, not sure if sometimes I'm so naughty. Okay. I cannot go with your request like that. Because I'm so busy. I'm so busy, you know. I don't know how to manage my time now. I need to school. I lot of to do. Oh my gosh. I need to see my mom like that. You know, cleaning the house, more tasks in the house before you go like that. But I give living 3 hours because I get the